Hey guys, Coach Tim, and I wanted to show you a real quick uh, brand footprint that shows up for my company, Spider Juice Technologies, right? And what I was doing was showing a client earlier this very thing, and I go down, and some of the companies and websites or whatever are the usual suspects, but then I go down and I go, wait a minute. Okay, I just ran this video into this tool yesterday, and it's already outranking video itself for the same thing. So here's the tool, or the page, I should say. And if you install a Chrome extension, when you look at videos, such as this one,
How easy is it to find your business online?
set up, got a ton of extensions from GPT on this. But if you run a summary with this tool that I just showed you, then this is what it does. It has insights, and it runs a summary, which is what you'll find right there. So the first thing I thought was, wow, and my keywords are going to show up, right? That I don't know. I haven't goosed it yet to play with it enough. But there's a couple benefits here. One is an embed for my YouTube video. Another is the potential for a link. I'm kind of doubting it, but also you could somehow figure a way to put it so it's giving you a name, address, and phone number, which helps with your Google business. If I click this, the video will start at 00. It's not a long video, so there's not a lot of timestamps. And this part, I can't remember if they took it. I'm pretty sure they just took it from my transcript and prettied it up into questions. Okay, so what's so cool about that? Well, it's basically blogging for me. They're using a way that was kind of secret amongst SEO guys in creating content. You could still easily do this, but they're doing it so that they're flexing so hard that it's going to be hard to rank this same content against them. So you can go to Google, YouTube, go to what I call is the ellipsis. Here's the transcript. Let me move that over so you can see it. Here's the transcript, and this is in almost every single video. So then you can go and basically take their transcript and then do a blog post with it. Instead, these guys are selling us on the idea of let me go over here, of getting our content out of here and getting insights, right? And then for that price, and you can also pay for it. You can only use this so many times, then you got to pay for it. But they're getting a blog site with thousands of pages, which we'll look at in a second, and lots and lots of content. How about that? So, pretty smart way to use AI, frankly, and to take over a take over a space fairly quickly in anything. So let's look at what their uh, and by the way, one of the reasons why any of my stuff, if I can get text, even like my Wayback Machine stuff that I've that's not out there, but it's in the archive, I will try to find a way to use it so that something like this doesn't happen. In other words, I came first. This text here, the only thing I'm competing on is the title and Spider Juice Technologies. The text, as far as Google's concerned, is theirs. It's Eightify's. So I'm gonna look and see. I bet you they have millions of pages. Look, so this is just different categories that they've figured out, and it probably just goes on forever. And this is what a long one might look like. And this just, I'll show you down at the bottom, you could see if it's linked here, that means they have a category. You can see that down on the bottom about the Ottoman Empire, or this one's a Soviet. So they figured out how to interlink their stuff, and frankly, it's genius. Good for them. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. It could be a hell of a great way, and I'm thinking about that right now on a reputation management deal where I could do, let's say 20 variations of the business name and put it in the headline of this first part, say the business name, and I'll end up ranking for it, probably. So anyway, that's what's on my mind right now. I wanted to share it with you. And again, this popped up in less than a day. So pretty amazing.